Ismail Daarouf, a Kazakh student who used to study traditional Chinese medicine in northwest China's Shanxi province, has become a TCM therapist at the China Kazakhstan Center for Traditional Medicine in Kazakhstan. He said he wants to bring health benefits to more Kazakh people through TCM therapy.
大家好，我是陕西中药大学留学生马文轩。现在呢，我已经毕业了，回到自己的国家了。现在在当地的中国哈萨克斯坦传统中医中心工作，将自己在中国学到的中医知识，在自己国家能够学以致用，为我们国家的人民带来福祉。我真的非常欣慰，开心。
The China Kazakhstan Center for Traditional Medicine was established in Astana in December 2022. It has gained fame among the local people since its establishment. Daarouf has a great passion for China and Chinese culture. He used to volunteer to join the local fight against COVID-19 at the end of 2021, when the city of his university, Xi'an, was hit by the pandemic.
学生回国吧，我还是那句话，我是外国人，但不是外人。中国是我的第二故乡，我非常想念我的老师和同学们，想念那里的一切。一会有机会，我还是会去中国旅游。接下来我会和中国老师继续保持联系，继续学习中国文化，弘扬中医文化，造福更多的人。